Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid calcium deposits in arteries. We'll start by understanding why these deposits form, which is crucial for effective prevention. Then, we'll dive into specific dietary adjustments you can make to significantly lower your risk. Finally, I'll share practical lifestyle changes that support arterial health and help keep those calcium deposits at bay. It's all about taking proactive steps for a healthier heart. Your diet plays a huge role in preventing arterial calcium. Focus on reducing processed foods, which often contain high levels of unhealthy fats and sugars. Instead, fill your plate with nutrient-rich options like leafy green vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Aim to keep your saturated and trans fat intake low, ideally less than 7% of your daily calories. These simple changes can make a big difference for your arteries. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts arterial health. Regular physical activity is vital. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Maintaining a healthy weight, ideally with a body mass index between 18.5 and 24.9, also reduces strain on your cardiovascular system. Don't forget stress management. Finding ways to relax can positively impact your overall heart health. While diet and lifestyle are primary, certain supplements might offer additional support. Discuss with your doctor if vitamin K2 or magnesium could be beneficial for you. Also, ensure you have adequate vitamin D levels, either through safe sun exposure or dietary sources. Remember, a holistic approach is key to long-term arterial health. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your arteries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.